We have done one split at 5.85. Some of the leaf node came this side, some of them came this side. When we calculated the similarity score, for left side came as 0.49, for right side it came as 0.05. Now we have to calculate the gain. So what we do, sum this left side, right side and minus with the x1 which was 0.02. This came as 0.52. This is the increase we got. We tested this case. We have to test this one and this one. Okay. So let's again try to split at 7.1. We got a gain of 5.06. When we did a split at 8.25, we got a gain of 17.52, which is highest among all these. Now we know that we have to split on 8.25 to create a decision tree. And we repeat the same process for other nodes. Okay, so this is our final decision tree where we did first split at CGPA split at 8.25, then 3.7 came as leaf node. Then again we did a split on CGPA 5.85. These leaf nodes came. When we get the value from decision tree, there is one more formula, that is sum of residuals divided by number of residuals plus lambda. Lambda in this case is 0. This is a regularization term. We can ignore right now. But if you closely look at, then sum of these residuals, let's say here it is 1, so it doesn't matter. But for this one there are two values. So sum of it divided by number of this, right? That is nothing but the average. So this is our decision tree, final decision tree for model 2. The final output, this is the same formula we learned in our boosting episode. Output from first model and then some learning rate into the output from second model. In XGBoost, generally learning rate is 0.3. This is a standard term. So now what we do, we repeat the same process. We are till here. We created this model 1 average and then we got the residuals, and then on these residuals plus CGPA we have created one decision tree, that is this one, that is model 2. And model 2 we again have to predict values from model 2, that is using this formula. Let's try to create one value from this formula for this row. So 7.3 plus 0.3 into output from. So if you put 6.7, where do you see 6.7? 6.7 is less than this, so we go this, and 6.7 is greater than this, so you come here, right? And then how do you get the output from this leaf node? Using this formula. That is nothing but average. So you got minus 2.05 and then the value came as 6.69. That's it. You replace it, and similarly for every row you did it. And then you keep on repeating this process until number of trees are reached. So that is how you create the decision trees, or you can say models. Okay, so if there are 4 models, you do this 4 times, right? Error from this model will go to this model, error from this model will go to this, from this to this. And if you see, we are getting closer and closer to this output. Actual one is 4.5 and now we are, initially it was 7.3, now it came 6.69. So we are getting closer. So as you increase number of models, this will converge, and this is the concept of XGBoost. If you have learned something today, save this reel and follow for more such content.